Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akunna, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to beat the hell out of your face with products under £10. Me, sha, I don't know about you, I don't know about everyone else. I'm all for like affordable things. I'm all for not cheap, but like cheap things that still do the same things that my high-end makeup products would do. And also I feel like if you're going to be doing your makeup on a daily basis or to school or to work, I don't see why I'm whipping out my £40 foundation for an everyday. Like, I don't understand. It doesn't make sense to me. So I like to find cheaper alternatives, and if that is you, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to be showing you products that I really like and I honestly use on an everyday basis that are really affordable, seeing as they are less than £10. So yeah, if you want to see how I beat my face with cheap ass products, then keep watching. For my brows, I use 4 products. That's what I use is this one. This is the Soap and Glory Brow Archery, I think it's called, and this has a really skinny brow tip, which is kind of similar to the NYX micro brow pencil, which I have here. Actually, this is $9.99, so I mean it's up there in price. After that, I go in with this brow pencil. It's from Sleek, and this goes for $6.49 at Superdrug. The next thing I use for my brows is this concealer, the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I think they go for $3.99 on most websites. Sometimes you see them for £5. The last thing I use is this NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, and this goes for £6. Yes, so those are my brows done and dusted. Let's move on to my eyeshadow. Here I'm going to be priming my eyes with the same concealer that I use on my brows. To set this, I'm going to be using this translucent powder from, what's it called, MUA, which is Makeup Academy. I think it's a brand that's only sold at Superdrug, and this is £3, guys. £3. 1, 2, 3. Just 1, 2, 3 pounds. I was considering honestly using Colourful shadows, but come to think of it, they are literally £5 for one, and that's quite pricey, because by the time you buy 3, that's £15. What does that even mean? Anyway, this is the NYX palette, and I just have a couple of refills that I bought from them. These eyeshadows retail for £2.50 for one, which I think is quite nice. It's alright. I mean, it's not the cheapest thing, but it's cool. So I'm going in with, what am I going in with? I'm going in with this yellow shade. Guys, I don't think I've ever used yellow in my crease before, so pray for me. I actually like these NYX shadows. I use them on a daily basis, but usually for my lid color, if I'm being honest. I don't think I've ever blended them into my crease before. I'm going to go in with a mustard shade on a smaller brush. So that is the one that's right above it, still in my crease, but a bit lower. That is my crease done. Now I have to finesse the rest of my eye makeup. I got this a while back, so it's one of those things that's on eBay, Amazon, everywhere you want to look. Those ones that have like a lot of colors. And this one's really cool because it comes with blushes as well on the bottom, and for £10, or okay, maybe it might be £11, I don't know that, but like for whatever price it is a lot, because you get a lot. Wow, these are actually nice blushes. So I'm going to put some orange in my crease, this orange over here. I think I want my lid to kind of go from yellow to mustard to red. The first thing I'm going to do is clean up my lid space so that my colors actually pop. I'm using this NYX jumbo pencil. I don't remember how much these were, but they're really cheap, and I haven't used this in a while, but I know that it works. I'm going to go straight into that gold shade, this one here that I showed you previously. I'm putting that right in front of my lid. This color is so faint. It doesn't even show up in the way that I want it to show up. No! I'm going to go in with this one here. So this color first, and then this color. This one is really pigmented. I feel like the formula kind of changes, even pigmentation as well, depending on the eyeshadow itself. At the end of my eyes, I'm going to go in with this color. I don't know if this is red or like orange. So just these two, they kind of look reddish orange. I'm done with my eyes, guys. This legit took me like an hour. Anyway, I did my eyeshadow. I showed you the shades that I use, and then over that in my crease I decided to put some glitter eyeliner. This is from NYX. I always use this, but I say always, but I've used this like twice on my channel already. And this is their waterproof glam liner in, I think it's called 24 karat glamour. So I put that in my crease anyway, just to spice up this look a little bit. I'm going to move on to my face now, and I'm using this NYX Angel Veil primer from NYX, obviously. I think this cost me £7 thereabouts, and I don't have the price exactly on my phone. I forgot to include this. It just helps with the longevity of my makeup, and I've noticed that my foundation kind of goes on smoother as well with this on. For my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Polish. You guys can see that all the products I'm using are products that I literally use in most of my videos, so you know I'm not lying about whether or not I like it. I really like foundation, but I've spoken a lot about it already. I will link the videos, or the one video where I spoke about this foundation, down below, so you guys will have an idea of what I'm talking about if you haven't seen that video, or if you're new to my channel. To blend that out, I'm going to be using this sponge. This is from Real Techniques, and it is quite affordable. I think it's like £6 or something. Oh, I forgot to say, my lashes are from Adele. These are the Demi Wispy, and I think they're like £8 or £9 for 4, or you can buy one for £5 thereabouts. So still under £10. I'm using a matching concealer, which is the Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 35, and to be honest, it's a bit light, but I do like it. I think, let me see how much this is actually. Oh, I didn't write it down, but I strongly believe this concealer is cheaper than £7. Or it might be £7.99. Regardless, it's still under £10. An alternative for me would be this one. I feel like in terms of consistency and in terms of formula, the Revlon Color Stay concealer is quite similar, and that one retails for £6.99, so still in the same price range. And to set that, I'm going in with this powder again that I said was £3 from MUA. I'm going to be using this foundation stick from Naughty London to cream contour. This cost me about £7.50. I like that it blends out so smoothly, but I think that's because obviously this is a foundation, and so it was made to blend nicely. I'm then going to set my face with some powder, and I'm using the Fit Me powder. I believe this powder cost me either £5.99 or £7.99. Don't remember, and I made a mistake writing down the price here, so that kind of sucks. I'm then moving on to my contour, and for contour I think I'm going to be using this Sleek contour kit. Where is it? After that, I'm going to be going in with my blush. This is the NYX Ombre blush in the shade Feel the Heat. The first highlight I'm going to be using is this one from Colourful. Is in the shade Glow Up from the K-pop collection. I believe I paid like £7 or something for them. These highlighters from Colourpop. Over that, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution highlighting palette. These retail for £8, but it's £8 for 3 really large highlighters. In my waterline, I'm going to be using this NYX eyeliner in the shade Golden Bronze, and I always use this when I don't want to use black. I think these are like £4, £5, so they're quite affordable. I'm taking the same orange and the same red shades that I used on my lids. For my mascara, I'm going to be trying out this one from Rimmel London, and this is the Volume Shake mascara. I don't really know how it is. I've never tried it out before, but we're going to find out today. The wand is quite big, so it's scary. I want an inner corner highlight. I'm going back in with my highlighter, and I'm just going to put that in the middle of my inner corner. The same highlight shade I used. Yeah. I don't want to say anything, so they won't say I'm boasting. I'm going to be lining my lips first with the PS Pro lip liner in Toffee. It's literally £1. I believe it's £1 anyway. It better be £1. If not, I'm going into my eyeshadow. If it's not £1, I'm obsessed with you, Primark, but I believe it's £1. I'm just going to use that to outline my lips. I'm then going in with this L'Oreal lip paint in Tangerine Vertigo.
Tunica Caio, he can go and confound me.